asked if I'm racist. What the fuck? It's such like a weird question. I have people like all over that I talk to. Sarah, you're the best. Disappointed. What? Coffee will be expensive if Kamala wins. That's a fact, but as if things aren't expensive as it is. You know? Everything is so fucking pricey nowadays. It really is. 0.9, appreciate it. No, not stereotyping, but I mean stereotyping is kind of racist because it's basing judgment off of other people based on, you know, stereotypical things. So it's like saying, oh, there's a white person who's Polish, who's got one arm, who's hanging from a tree, and I wave to him and he falls. See, I'm Polish. I don't know if you see that nose, but just because I'm a white male with blonde hair, blue eyes, well, not blonde anymore, it's fucking, the older I get, the darker it gets, but it used to be like bleach blonde. Now it's like fucking dirty blonde. Smack my face if you do one trick. Say less. That was 3. Ooh, fuck, and I got cut pretty decent. Hell yeah. Look at that. That was a good one. Right down the Tonto edge. See, what normal people do is they get a Band-Aid. This, you gotta dip in your coffee. Instantly. Instantly. Yeah, I flip live blades. What the hell you guys think I do? What the hell? It's fine. This is a knife channel, believe it or not, so sorry you guys have to witness the blood. I'll tape this up for you. Which is actually kind of funny. This is the cool part about like going live is you guys know I'm not fucking around. You know, like, ooh, it's a deep one. I could use a few stitches, dude, for sure. It's not like a straight one either. Oh god, it's nasty. Yeah, that was a good one. Hell yeah. And it's like across the whole finger too. Hell yeah. Oh, I got the tape, trust me. Should I use hydrogen peroxide? Just sub if you're Sigma. Yeah, believe it or not, this is kind of what I do. So. And this is electrical tape, Ruben isolant, meaning it's got fiberglass in it. So, if you didn't think it hurt before, Lord, oh Lord.